Hey guys, so this is just a tiny small 10 Digit Creations haul. I saw that she had put up some Lush dupes recently. Actually, I'm not even sure how recently. It might have been last month, but I just happened to find it last week. So I went ahead and I knew I needed to place an order. She really kills it with the spa, fresh air, woodsy, earthy type scent. I feel like she really excels, or actually her and her husband really excel at finding scents that fit those categories really nicely. Now I have tried some of her bakery scents, and I don't tend to like her bakery scents as much as I do her fresh and earthy and woodsy type notes. So, but I mean, some people really do. I've seen on her group page that people really do like her bakery scents as well. So it's just up to you. But just for me personally, that's what I like. So the first thing that I got is I saw that she had the Avo Bath, which is one of my favorite bath bombs from Lush. So I knew I had to try this in wax form. And Avo Bath is a lemongrass scent on steroids. Oh, and I mean, this captures it like perfect. It almost has, you know how when you get bath bombs and they have that, like all bath bombs kind of have that undertone? It kind of reminds me of like dragon's egg too. Like I kind of smell dragon's egg in there too. That's cool. So I'm going to try to go in order here, but that one is a dead on dupe. Love that. Can't wait to warm it and see what happens. I also get really good throat with her stuff too. So I'm going to go in alphabetical order, even if it's a sample. So let's see, Bamboo Teak. This one here. Bamboo Teak is green bamboo, warm teakwood, golden amber, and oak moss. And half this stuff, I have no idea what it would smell like. This just smells fresh. I think I might know what the golden amber smells like. I think I can smell like a golden amber scent. This is just a really fresh scent. I really like that. Again, I don't really know what that is supposed to smell like. Or let's see, bamboo and sugarcane is one of my samples that she sent. Thank you so much for the samples. That's really generous. Fresh bamboo and sweet sugarcane. And I never know what bamboo is supposed to smell like. But it's just a sweet, I almost get kind of like a watery, or like not a 7-Up, but, because I don't get the fizzy, but kind of like an effervescence, but not really, if that makes any sense at all. Sweet though, there's a sweetness to that. Let's see, Beach Towels would be the next in line here. I've had this one before and I knew that I liked it. I really like my fresh scents. Is a scent that captures the sun, the sand, the ocean, and freshly laundered beach towels. Yeah, and that's what it is. It smells like laundry. Just a little hint of like that if you smelled like sun and sand type scents. I'm trying to think of what the sun and sand scents are called. Like beach day or something like that. That's kind of what that reminds me of. It's a nice mix of the two. Let's see, Coconut Leaves is next. Coconut Leaves is slatkin type, and I've never smelled it before, but I remember seeing this one time, and I remember thinking I really want to try it. It's a rich blend of coconut milk, juicy tangerine, papaya nectar, and warm vanilla. So I got a 2-pack of those. Yeah, and I get the coconut and tangerine, like fruity. And I think the warm vanilla probably just sweetens and rounds everything out. But really I feel like the coconut stands out with that tangerine. Okay, coconut milk and peaches. Sweet peaches and creamy coconut milk. I've gotten this before and I remember thinking it was way too sweet for me. Yeah, whew, that is sweet. I'll have to warm it though and see how it comes out on warm, but that is a really sweet. You get like the coconut and peaches in there, but it's like got an overall sweetness. Okay, let's see, which one is next? Let's see, sugared spruce? No, snow angels. I remember smelling snow angels and it totally surprised me because I loved it, but I never would have expected the scent description to match what I smelled. Okay, so this one is interesting. Snow angels is a mix of peppermint, eucalyptus, blue spruce, and snow crystals. And I just remember this smelling like a soapy, fresh... It's maybe kind of light. I need to warm this and see if it comes off a little bit stronger in the warmer. But there's like a little bit of peppermint in there, but it's not overpowering. I think I can smell the spruce. Just a really nice scent. The way everything blends together. I don't even know what snow crystals would smell like, but I want to warm this because I want to see if I need it in a 4-pack because I do like that one. Next is, I really wanted to try sugared spruce. I think I heard... Smelly Lady, I don't know why I'm having a hard time with names today, talk about this one, and I know I was kind of like, I'm warming up to spruce scents, so I really wanted to try a sugared one, and this is Holiday Spruce Dusted with Sweet Sugar Crystals. And this, yeah, you definitely get that spruce, piney, outdoorsy tree scent. And then you just get like it's like a sweet... It's like you took a Christmas tree and dumped it in a little bit of sugar. Yeah. We'll warm that and see what happens with that. Now, sweetgrass was one that just intrigued me. Fragrant aroma of fresh sweet grass. I've heard of fresh cut grass. Never smelled that one, so... This one's very distinct. It reminds me of something. What do you remind me of? I don't get fresh cut grass. Like, I don't smell... I don't know. This one is interesting. And this is why they excel at like the outdoorsy type scents, because they're just so like unique, I think. Things that you wouldn't normally smell. Okay, so the last one I got is You Are My Sunshine. And You Are My Sunshine is bright, sunny aroma of zesty lemons and earthy juniper. And you definitely do get a bright note from this. I wouldn't necessarily know if I smelled this on my own if I would smell lemons. I think I like that juniper, and I'm not sure what juniper smells like on its own, but whatever's going on in here, it works. It kind of reminds me of the Scentsy Scent Sunny and Share. A little bit different, but it kind of reminds me of like the same like vein of like similar scents, I guess. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.